Tyler here, back with another video. Right, today is another transformation to my car. So all I want to say is, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're trying to make this year a bit better. I've just started, so I want to change my life. I want to give you a lot of content, make sure it's good and stuff like that, so on and so on, blah 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 blah. Right, so today I got a special delivery with my car. Everyone was going for something that was different and then stuff like that, so I wanted to go different because I don't want to be everyone else with a Fiesta. So what I got, I bought myself a spoiler extension, and it cost me 90 quid. 90 quid. Big shout out to TRC. They're a really big company. They do skirts and stuff like that. People you lot must know. If you're watching this video, you will know. So there's not much to explain. But if the people you don't know, yes, they do body kits and stuff like that. Spoiler extension, eyelids. But it all depends on your car. I think it's like Ford, Audis. Yeah, there's only certain things, because obviously we don't fuck with the French vehicles, man. Fuck them. I don't really fuck with the French cars because they just break easily. They sound ratty. Do you know what I'm saying? So I'm not a big fan of them. But yeah, I've got my Explorer extension. As you will see, I'll show you in the next clip what we done, how we put it on. So yeah, so I'll see you in a bit. What you do is, like, when Dad drills and stuff like that, just get in so you can see like all the like clips. So I'm trying to start again. I don't want to take it out. It's rounding off. It's just showing. That's what I was on about. Yeah, I'll take it for a little ride and that, and obviously see what it's. That's looking hard, man. No, it does. Like, Right, as that clip, obviously I didn't probably actually say anything as much. I didn't focus as much. I was too excited to put it on. It was such an easy fit, so it was like, oh, what do I say? It's just, it was like on. It was on. It was that quick. Obviously, the other ones are like plastic, so I think it's like double-sided, like a sticky sponge type things. But you just stick it down and stuff like that. But because it was raining and stuff like that, it was quite a result because it's only screw in. But the problem is that if I want to take it off, what I have to do, I have to take it off, and basically there will be 4 holes in my spoiler. So, but I'm not really want to take it off. So I'm quite happy with it. Do some little like videos around it and stuff like that. What's the outcome? What's it shown like from far distance and stuff like that. Until you like see like it's big. Like you see where like you get like plastic ones. Plastic ones, it's just all like, it's probably like that high and it's just round top. No, I like it, but I thought something different. I might go a bit extra long. This is extra long. It's gone from saying like that to saying it's like, I don't know, about that. And I love the shape of it. Until you, obviously, because you've seen the video and you know exactly what the spoiler looks like. It looks absolutely amazing. I actually recommend if you lot buy this one. It's so much better than the ones that you just stick. It's nice, but it's not stands out, if you know what I mean. Like, until you actually physically go right to the back and go, oh look, that's quite nice. Whereas like far distance, because the spoiler extension on mine is quite far now, you can actually see it properly. So it's better. I do recommend, if you lot ever want to change spoiler extension and stuff like that, hit up TRC. They will hit you up. Trust me, they're good people. Trust me, I highly recommend them. So please, whoever actually wants to get body kits and stuff like that, firstly, just think and hit TRC. They're good. I'm actually quite surprised because that's actually metal. I know it's metal. I thought it'd be like plastic, but no, it's actually metal. I don't know if it's like aluminium or something like that. It can't be steel, it'll be too heavy, but it's proper strong material. So, and if you lot are wondering before you comment, no, it doesn't wiggle when you drive, so don't worry about that. I did a test drive to make sure it didn't wiggle. So yeah, it doesn't affect. The only thing it does affect is obviously when you open your boot and you close it. That's it. That's nothing major. But when you're thrashing it around and stuff like that, no, there's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, that's literally the end of the video actually. So right, boys, as I say, thank you so much for all this support. I do appreciate this. It's been tough. I'm learning, so I can't down myself, do you know what I mean? Obviously, you lot obviously bring me up and stuff like that, so I'm thankfully happy for that, man. It's just, throughout this year, I wouldn't think I would have got 1,000 subscribers. I've never thought that I would have hit 7,000, well, over 7,000 views on one video. Next one, 3,000. I have never think I would get it, but you lot obviously showing me love and support, so I'm so happy that I'm actually giving you good content. You lot been asking me questions. I've always answered them. So I'm very happy. So I can't believe it, man. Like the smile, I just can't believe it, man. So I'm gonna keep going, keep grinding. I'll keep posting and stuff like that, just for you guys, or obviously for myself, because I love doing content. Being a creator for me, it's amazing. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please comment what you think of my videos and stuff like that. I'm intrigued to see what people think. Make sure you like, and most importantly, subscribe and bell that notification to make sure you lot actually don't miss my videos, because we are going lit with this car. We're going to change this car. So subscribe. I'll see you in my next video, boys. We're out.